when the arm is in the drop position, the lobe will be here. That's how you know that it's in the right position, not at the other end of the process. Right? Now, what happens then, the way it drops is with the bale growing and putting pressure on here. And I'll illustrate that by using a screwdriver, which makes it drop. So that's pulling that, that's lifting that. And the string is now being pulled in by the bale, turning, and it will complete the process. The string is now doing this instead of my hand, of course, and it pulls it up. It's very clever. It pulls it up, comes across, it's right up, wrapping the bale. This is happening fairly fast, of course. And on the way back now, it's now about to go back, and it will cut the string automatically, and the lobe's coming round again, and it will now, there, it's in the drop position again, and the lobe is where it should be. That's how you know it's in the drop position.
Yeah, and then when the hay bale fills,
When the hay bale fills, what do you want to do?
yeah, well,
When the hay bale fills, it's putting pressure on there again.
Yep.
It drops again. Do you want me to drop it?
Yeah, may as well.
Hay bale's putting pressure on here, and then it drops again, and away we go again. You get it?
Yep.
That's good, mate. That's fantastic.